Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel wechat Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to know and copy your order number on Pinduoduo app, okay? But before we get today practical started guys, if you are brand new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. And also, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you too can import without using any agent, if this is what you are looking for, you can feel free to reach me and via the phone number on the screen of this video if you have interest to join my premium class on importation, okay, where I coach you step by step, okay. And lastly but not the least, if you would like me to procure your link on 1688 Tahoba or Pinduoduo, you can as well reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video without any stress. So let's jump into the tutorial and get started. So like I said earlier guys, I'm going to teach you how to know and copy your order number on Pinduoduo. So as you can see from the screen here, this is my Pinduoduo app. So I'm going to click on it right away. So it's open up this way. Next step you have to take is to click on this icon here to visit your dashboard. Now when you get to your profile, this is how it's going to open up, okay? Now you have to tap on here to know the number of goods you have on transit, okay? So I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so you can see guys that I have 2 goods on transit already on Pinduoduo app. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on any product I'm interested to know the order number. Let's say I'm interested to know this particular product order number here. All you have to do is to click on the product link, this product link here, click on that. So I'm going to click on it. Now it open up like this, okay? So it's still loading. All right, so when you open up, then you can scroll down and then you can click on here to see more information about the order. Click on that. So when it's open up like this, now here the long number here is refers to as your order number, okay? Now for you to copy this order number, you have to move here and click on here to copy the order number. So if I click on here now, the order number has been successfully copied without any stress. So you can send this number to whoever asking you to send the order number. And I hope you guys learn 1 or 2 things in this video. This is how you copy your order number without any stress. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.